فإيه let's go to start our session. So here he told for you for each of the following graph find x-intercepted. So what the meaning of x-intercepted? It's meaning the point which is intersect with x-axis. That is x-axis. And now we need to find the point which intersect from the curve with x-axis. So if you try here, we have it actually 2 points here. That is the first point, which is -2, and it's closed. But here, this point, which is 2, it's open. If you type that here, if I make it bigger for you to see it, yeah, like that. Here, that's open. So we can't take it. Yes, it's intersect with x-axis, but it's open. That's meaning we doesn't have this point. But here, it's intersect with x-axis and it's go directly. So this means it's like closed. So here's the point which intersect with x-axis is called -2. You understand it?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to ask about something.
No.
Okay, let's go to the next. Then here he told you I need to find the y-intercept. Y-intercept. So where is y-axis as the first? That is y-axis.
Yeah.
By the same way, y-intercept, it means the point which make intersection with the curve. So where is the curve? That is the curve.
Which is 4.
Yes, excellent. Excellent, and the clap for you. So here we can write it -2. -2. And here 4 like this. Now he asks you about maximum or minimum. Okay, actually, I need to explain for you something here. We have 2 curves. The first curve, which look to the up, and here we say about this point, it's minimum. It's the smallest point you can go to at by using by going to down. And here we have another curve, which is go and look to the down. And here this point, which is called the vertex of the curve, is called also maximum.
Okay.
So the maximum is meaning the biggest point you can go to it. Okay? And from where we can take it the minimum or the maximum. Here, if I draw another curve like that, this point here is called the vertex of the curve. And this vertex of the curve is consists of x and y. So here, this x and this y, the y we can take it from it minimum or maximum. Actually, for this curve, for the curve which I draw at now. So this y, it's gonna to be minimum or maximum?
It's gonna be maximum.
Maximum, excellent, and the clap for you. And what about x? What I can use it x, or how I can use it x? You can use it x to find the equation of symmetry. So here, what is the equation of symmetry? The symmetry that is the line which cutted the curve into 2 equal parts like that. That is called the symmetry. So here to find the equation of this straight line, you will say it's x equal, it's x equal, and you can see the y. For example, if I told you the vertex here is 2 and 3, okay? So here, what is the equation of the symmetric? What is the equation of symmetry?
I didn't quite understand it.
Okay, I can explain it again. Here we have it here. And here, this point I told you, let us say it's 0 and 4, okay? Now I will ask you, what is the maximum? Maximum is equal what? You will use it x or y to find the maximum?
Y.
Y, excellent. So you set for me maximum is equal 4. Is that easy for you?
Yeah, but why
Now,
do we say that it's y and not, let's say, x?
we take it the maximum. The maximum, it's meaning the biggest or the highest point you can take it from Y. Okay?
Okay. But how do you know if we take it from y or from x?
Maximum or minimum, all the time we take it from Y. Because we need the
Max
minimum value or the maximum value, okay? But here, that X, it's meaning the equation of the straight line, which is cut the curve into two equal parts. And we say about it, it's a line of symmetry. Okay?
Yeah.
So here, if I told you what is the equation of line of symmetry. So here you will set for me, miss, it's X equals 0. Because here I told you X is 0. I understand it?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So here, actually, he asked you about the maximum. Let's go and come back to our curve here. Which one is maximum or minimum? Is that maximum or minimum, actually?
Maximum.
Maximum, excellent. And maximum here is equal what?
Maximum equals 4.
Yes, excellent. Here, range and domain. What about the range and what about the domain? The range, we take it from Y. The range, we take it from Y. And the range here is meaning from the smallest value for Y to the biggest value for Y. So we set the range is equal from -5 to 4. Here the -5 is closed, so we canceled. We close it. And the 4 also, we close it. I understand that?
No, can you re-explain it?
Again, what's the meaning of range? Range, it's meaning what is the smallest and the greatest value for the Y. Okay, so what is the smallest value for Y here? We stopped it on -5. So
Yeah.
that is the smallest value. What is the greatest value for Y here? It's 4. So we set the range is from -5 to 4. I understand.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, what about domain? Domain, we take it from x-axis, but by using the curve, of course. So what is the least value for x here? It's a stop on -3. Are you see? So we set
Yeah.
the domain is equal from -3 to what is the greatest value here is 2. Are you
So
see?
basically, to find the domain, we see where the curve stopped
Yeah, according to x-axis.
according to the x-axis, and then we look at where it started and where it ended, and then we pick the two numbers, right?
Yeah. And now here the -3 epsilon is closed. So here we close the interval curve. But
Yeah.
here the 2 is open. So we make it as open curve like that, or we make it like that. So
Okay.
that's meaning open. That's meaning we go until each number just before 2 directly. Okay.
Okay. But teacher, I have a question for the maximum and mean.
You can
Minimum.
go.
For maximum and minimum, what I know is to find the maximum, let's say, there's something that the teacher told us that when you go from here to here, and then it's 4, okay, and then you go down and then it's 0. Shouldn't it be 4 and then 0? Or
No, but we studied about all of the curve, not about part from the curve. Now you studied the as just a part from the curve. No, we studied the minimum or maximum about all of the curve.
okay.
Okay.
But here they said maximum / minimum. Are they asking which one is
Yes,
the
he
graph
asked you.
max or
Yeah.
minimum?
Yes, that's what he asked you.
Okay.
Just a minute. So are you understand it?
Yeah, I understood it.
Excellent. And the clap for you. Let us stop.